7:43, 6 degrees. Sometimes I wonder why I live here. Only sometimes. Hooray! Oh, it's so cold. This is kind of like what the situation going
You call me up just to bring me down, and I cannot take it for a second round. And your devotion to you bring my emotions too, and then this gotta have an end soon. What you want really, I don't know, but you're always telling me what I should do. Get off my back, I don't like it like that. I've had enough fire, I'm about to snap. I'm fed up with this, I'm getting sick of it. I'm fed up with it.
There was something I was supposed to do this morning, and as I was running late-ish, I didn't have time. I bought yesterday some like ginger / raspberry shots for your morning, for immunity, for health or whatever. So I'll try to do this every day. So it's the first day, Tuesday, 16th of April, and I will use my soju shot glass. One bottle is 6 shots. I don't like ginger, guys, so that's really big for me. I'm already doing a big effort by taking a shot, so I won't do full shots, I will do half. Going from 0 to half is better than nothing. So, he's better than me. But yeah, a red shot for a red girl. Let's go. Not that bad. And yeah, I didn't even ask you guys because I think this is the first time you see it. I don't think if it's even like a nice lighting, but what do you think of my braids? But anyway, I'm gonna go shower because I feel so sweaty. I've been outside the whole day. I'm gonna go shower, get in some PJs, and then spend the whole evening crocheting my friend's baby's ensemble outfit set, baby set. Yeah, that's it. So now it's lunchtime and I'm having lunch. I still have a massive amount of dishes to do from last week or this weekend mainly, so I'm gonna have to do that at some point. I'm gonna start laundry, I'm gonna fold some clothes, and I think I don't have any food in my fridge. I'm trying to avoid ordering and I'm forcing myself to cook. I already ordered twice last week, once with Luca and once by myself. But I was braiding my hair, so I didn't have time to do anything, so that's my excuse. Just like mentioned yesterday, I'm trying to do this ginger shot thingy. Yesterday I did it in the evening, today I'm doing it at lunch. As long as I'm doing it, it's fine. You know, sometimes they tell you, to be healthy you need to do this, and then you do that 1 or 2 things that are healthy and everything else is just like bad. That's me. I mean, it's really minimal, but I do feel like I'm doing something, I feel like I'm just a bit better than other people that don't do it. And this feeling of superiority is what's driving me lately. I love this to say that I have a new addition to my routine, which is for a day now, taking those ginger shots. Yes, it's the middle of my work day and I'm filming, but I finally received my Levi's jeans I've been trying to get for almost a month. I ordered one, they never came, and I think it was on the 6th of April, and I ordered it I think end of March. So they took the wrong route and just send it back to Levis. I'm just looking for a basic pair of pants. I get slightly bigger in the thighs area. So the jean I have now fits me fine, but it's not really, like, I feel a bit, you know. I just look like a nice, I want my 501s. I want like people in movies and on Instagram and stuff. I just want a nice pair of jeans that's just like, oh, I have to go somewhere and let me put my jean on. I used to have the one from Another Story, which was my basic, but they don't do it anymore. Now I went to Another Stories, everything is wide leg, super high-waisted, super low-waisted. There's no middle ground. I tried the underpants, and you shall not see. The basic 501s were too big, so the thighs were fine, but the waist was way too wide. It was just like straight from my butt. The normal 90s were too small, which is weird because there's only one size between the one I already own, which are a bit more loose and straight and long, versus those ones. So I was really confused, and I didn't like the wash, so I guess that's fine. We are keeping these ones. I really like them. I like the wash, I like the fit, I like the vibe, I like the feeling they gave me. Made it. This is my outfit, mid-April. Come live to Hamburg. Great spring weather. And absolutely in my loungewear era. I never really was like a big loungewear person, in the fact that I did have joggers. I didn't have that much leggings until I met Lukas. You know, like pick me. He mentioned, oh, I really like leggings. Next thing you know, I bought 5 pair of leggings. But recently, whoa. Do I need those clothes? No. Do I want them? Yes. Do I have the money? Not really. And I can show you what I'm debating on. Those are the track pants I'm talking about. Other thing is this. I mean, it's still in line with my theme of the year, which is pink, as I've been telling you 500 times. It's just like a skin dupe, little loungewear. Then there is this backless long sleeve, pink. Finally, the same one in black. I do not make all of those. I think especially the black, because I just bought like a tight long sleeve top recently. Anyway, I'm not here for this. It's already 9:30. I am supposed to be working now. Wow. Sunny. I'm on my way to the gym again. The only reason why I'm going twice today, so the cycle class, and now I think I'm gonna do like a full body workout though. Last week I didn't go to the cycle class, and I wanted to make sure I get one today, and the one I want to go to on Fridays was full, and I only had Thursdays. What's the weather? Outfit of the day, of the evening actually. Judging me. As you know, tomorrow is my birthday, and for my birthday with Luca we came to Babali. I think it's like a spa place in Hamburg neighborhood. And this is our room, guys. So you have the shower, you have the bed, you have the balcony, cute little view, cute little balcony, and yeah, and you also have a big TV. We just came after work. We have one night here, and for now I'm just gonna chill because I'm tired. I'm gonna go eat at the restaurant, right? And then I'll open my food. And tomorrow is Spy Day. Spy Day. Outfit of the evening, just a little top, jeans, and Doc Martens. That's about it. How was this melon out of 10?
So,
How about this one?
right.
For all your food expertise, especially fruits, this is where I specialize in. Please reach out to Luca and he will give you consultancy on food tasting. Do you have an Instagram for your business? Or
Go to @Luca Food Expert.
So we're about to go in the spa. I took with me my book from February and some yarn to work on Amy's little baby outfit. We have already work on the bracelets. So we'll come to check it out. Outfit check. Yes, I have my fake Gucci slippers from Cameroon.